Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload your reel from your phone gallery. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking for how you can upload the reel from your gallery, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application, and once you will open it, log into your account. So once you will do it, you have to click on the profile icon on the right bottom. Once you will tap on it, now you have to uh, you will see your profile is here. Now you have to click on the plus icon. Also you will see a reel option right here, so tap on it and you have to click on the reels from here. Right now it's not showing me here. Just simply show you example through IGTV. So you can simply select a reel from here and it will redirect you to the gallery. So upload your video from here and process music on it and apply filters according to your choice. So this is the procedure to upload the reel from your gallery. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.